Hi children, today topic is problems based on numbers. You know very well about the numbers in the number system chapters. You are very familiar to the numbers, natural numbers, integers, even numbers and odd numbers. Now today we are going to discuss about the problems involving with the variables. Clear? Okay, let us start the problems. So before going to solve these problems, we have to know the few basic concepts regarding the consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers, the consecutive even numbers. There is no specific formulas to solve the problems based on the numbers in quadratic equations. You have to learn the few basic important points. So now I will explain what are the points required to solve the problems based on the numbers. Let us start the introduction. Now we will see the definition of the consecutive numbers. So what is the meaning of the consecutive numbers? The numbers which follow each other in order. What? The numbers which follow each other in order without any gap is nothing but consecutive numbers. So we have so many consecutive numbers in number system. What? 2 and 3. If you observe the 2 and 3, there is a no gap, and those two are comes in continuously one after one. That is nothing but consecutive numbers. Okay, once again I am reminding you people, what is nothing but consecutive numbers? The numbers which follow each other in order without any gap are called consecutive numbers. Now we will see what is consecutive numbers, what are the consecutive even numbers, what are the consecutive odd numbers generally. Clear? Now, okay. Children, now you will see some examples for the consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers. So, 4 and 5. So, which comes each other in order. There is no gap between these two numbers. One more example, 17 and 18. Okay. So, let us see one more example. 235 and 236. Like that, so many examples you can write. Here there is no gap between these two numbers. There comes in order without any gap. So these are the examples for the consecutive numbers. If you observe the consecutive even numbers, means you know very well the difference between the two consecutive even numbers will be the 2. So you can take as a 4 and 6, 20 and 22, 412 and 414. If you observe that these two are even numbers, and both are comes immediately without any gap, and the difference is 2. 4 and 6 difference 2. So here 20 and 22. There is no even number between 20 and 22. That's why these two are called consecutive even numbers. Now you will see the consecutive odd numbers. Let us see 7 and 9. Clear? You can write 27 and 29. You can write 313 and 315. Like that, so many pairs you can write. So all these are the consecutive numbers, consecutive even numbers, consecutive odd numbers. But to solve the problem, it should be involved in the variables. Now general formulas you can write. So what is the formula for the consecutive numbers? What is the formula for consecutive even numbers? What is the formula for consecutive odd numbers? I will explain. Now why in these formulas the variable will be there. So then you can convert it as a quadratic equation, you will get the answer. So I will write the formulas for the consecutive numbers, consecutive even numbers and consecutive odd numbers. Okay children, we will see. Now formulas for the consecutive numbers. Yeah, the consecutive numbers are, you can write the formula x and x plus 1. Okay, consecutive numbers. The consecutive even integers. The consecutive even integers. The consecutive numbers means you can write x and x plus. The consecutive even integers you can write 2x and 2x plus 2. Now consecutive odd integers. Consecutive odd integers you can take 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. Then in the problem he will ask the sum of the two consecutive integers. Sum of the two consecutive integers. Then what you will write? X plus 1. product of the two consecutive even integers, 2x into 2x plus 2. Okay, the square of the sum of the two consecutive odd integers. Then the square of the sum of the two consecutive odd integers, 2x plus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 3 whole square. Like that, based on the condition, given condition, you can write the suitable integer or even integer or odd integer. Okay, children. Now, by using these formulas, we will see the few examples. Okay. Yeah, here word problems based on numbers we will see. So, illustrative problem. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 113. Find the numbers. Clear, children? Here what is the given? Sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive nothing but already have learnt. The numbers which are followed in order are called consecutive natural numbers. So here you can take the natural numbers, the consecutive natural numbers x and x plus 1. Clear? But according to the problem, the sum of the squares of the consecutive numbers given. Clear? Now, from the given condition, the selected numbers x and x plus 1 have taken now. So, x square plus squares, x square plus 1 plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 113. Now, you can expand this equation as a plus b whole square. Then you will get x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 113. Now you can transpose, you can add the similar terms and you can transpose to get the quadratic equation. That is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 113 equal to 0. By simplifying that, 2x square plus 2x minus 112 is equal to 0. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, you can follow the factor splitting of the middle term. So before going that, you can cancel throughout the equation divided by 2. You can simplify it. X square plus x minus 56 is equal to 0. Now you can factorize it by splitting the middle term. So here minus 56. So you can split to get the plus x. Now the suitable factors are 8 into minus 7. But 8 into minus 7 difference is the plus 1. So it is suitable to get the middle term, and multiplying 8 into minus 7 minus 56 to get the last term. So now x square plus 8x minus 7x minus 56 is equal to 0. You can take the common from the first part of the above equation. So x of x plus 8 minus 7, you can take the common, x plus 8 is equal to 0. The x plus 8 is the common part of the both terms. Then x plus 8 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now x plus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, by transposing the plus 8 minus 8 you will get as usual x is equal to 7. Now you got the two roots. The first one is the minus 8 and second one is the 7. So but x equal to minus is not acceptable because x is a natural number in the problem. So when it is a negative number, no, you can take the required answer as x equal to 7. But the question is find the consecutive numbers. No. So first one is 7, second one is 7 plus 1, 8. These are the required numbers. Children, let us see the one more problem. Here the sum of the squares of the two consecutive even natural numbers in 100. Find the numbers. Clearly it was given that sum of the squares of the two consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers you can take as a, you know very well, the difference between the two consecutive even numbers is 2. That's what I have taken the required numbers x and x plus 2. According to the problem, the squares of those numbers is equal to 1. X square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 1.
So is equal to 100. Now you can expand the above equation by identity. So x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 100. By transposing that, 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 100 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 96 is equal to 0. Throughout the equation, you can cancel the 2. By dividing by 2, you will get x square plus 2x minus 48 equal to 0. Now you can follow the factorization method to get the roots of the quadratic equation. Now the last term is the minus 48. What are the suitable factors to get the plus 2 is 6 into 8 minus 6 into 8. The difference is 2 is the suitable to get the middle term, and product is minus 48. Yeah, you can write as a equation x square plus 2x minus 48 equal to 0 as x square minus 6x plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. Now take the common x from the first part, x minus 6 plus 8x minus 6 equal to 0. The common part x minus 6, then take the common x minus 6 and x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now x of minus 6 multiplied by x plus 8 equal to 0. Then x minus 6 is equal to 0. You can write r x plus 8 equal to 0. X equal to, transpose the minus 6, you will get x equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 8. Clear to everybody? Here you got the two roots. One is the positive, one is the negative. But x equal to minus is not acceptable because x is a natural number. That's what you can take. X equal to 6 is the suitable root. So x equal to 6, then x plus 2 second number, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. These two are the required numbers, 6 and 8. The two consecutive natural numbers are 6 and 8 respectively.
Yes, children. Now, like this process, you can solve the different kinds of the problems based on the numbers, which includes the consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers, and consecutive even numbers. Okay, we will meet again with another topic. Thank you. Thank you very much.